flight. Thank you. Hey, Arlene!
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and profitable expeditions. Welcome, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Alright, just park your land speeder right here to the left, everybody. A few more minutes. Right here.
So my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go.
Hi guys, welcome.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide los niños. Gracias.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Level pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Train. Yes, keep shooting.
Hold up.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, bridge. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, pilot the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. And engineers. Reel us closer. The cargo's ready. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to never work. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. All right, I am making an executive decision.
Nice job, my
Everybody out.
videographers.
Go on, go on, get out.
I'm just glad we survived and we didn't die. Good. Did you get attachment lenses yet?
We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days.